Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Afifa. You can call me Nurul. I'm from 2D class. Now I want to Q&A.
Question part 1. 1. How many people are there in your family? Who are they?
5 people. There are me, my sister, my brother, my father, and the last, my mother.
2. Which family member do you spend the most time with?
I spend my time with my sister about my journey.
3. Could you tell me about your family home?
My family home in Bangkinang.
4. Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, I like because my neighborhood very clean and very comfortable.
5. Is there anything you would like to change about your neighborhood?
Maybe no, because my neighborhood very perfect.
Question part 2. 1. What are your favorite and least favorite subject?
My favorite subject is listening and my least favorite is hadith.
2. What is the most important thing that you have learned at school?
Maybe the most important subject is Pendidikan Pancasila because talk about our country.
3. Where do you go when you have to study? Why do you like to study there?
Maybe I still study in home because in home is very silent and focused.
4. Is there something new you'd really like to learn about? Why?
I think climb mount because I like sunset.
5. Do you plan to study in the future? What do you want to study?
I think I want to study in Java because in Java very new for me and many place I want to there.
Question part 3. 1. Would you prefer to work indoors or outdoors? Why?
I like work in indoors because in indoor is very comfortable and cool.
2. Do you prefer working on your own or with other people? Why?
I like work with other people because can make change idea with other people.
3. What kind of work would you like to do in the future? Why?
I think I work in the bank because I like count the money.
4. Is there a job you would never want to do? Why?
I think parkir attendance because in Indonesia winter is hot.
5. What do you think would be the most difficult job to do? Why?
The most difficult is firefighter because the profession is very dangerous.
Question part 4. 1. Who do you spend your time with?
I spend my time with my friend. There are Arin and Farah.
2. How much time do you spend at home?
I think I spend my time at home 24 hours maybe.
3. Is it easy to meet new people? Where do you live? Why or why not?
No, because my neighborhood is not many interaction.
4. Where do you like to go to meet your friend?
We went go to cafe. In cafe we can talk more.
5. Have you got any plans for this weekend? What are you going to do?
Yes, I go to mall with my family and dinner in mall.
Question part 5. 1. What's your favorite way of traveling? Why do you like it?
I like traveling with the car because I can see the view.
2. What's the longest journey you have been on? Tell us about it.
I go to Malaysia. This is a study tour in my school.
3. How do you pass the time on a long journey?
I go to Medan with the car and I stay 3 days.
4. Do you prefer to travel abroad on holiday or to stay closer to home? Why?
I think I stay at home because I like in home.
5. Where do you think you will spend your holidays next year?
I go to West Sumatra.
Question part 6. 1. How do you find out what's happening in the world?
I find the information with the handphone.
2. Do you have a favorite newspaper or magazine? Why do you like it?
No, I don't have because I don't like read.
3. Do you use the internet? What sort of things do you use for it?
Yes, I use it for to study and watch YouTube and listening the video.
4. What's the difference between reading the newspaper in the newspaper or on the internet?
In magazine, very bored, and with the internet is very interest.
5. Do you think computers will replace newspaper and TV in the future?
Yes, because people in the world have a computer.
Question part 7. 1. How much TV do you watch in a week?
I don't like watch TV, but I watch in YouTube.
2. How often do you go to cinema?
I think one of month.
3. Tell us about a film you have seen recently.
I watch Inside Out.
4. Would you rather go to the cinema or the theater? Why?
I like watch the cinema because in cinema very silent and cool.
5. Have you ever been to a concert? What did you see?
I never watch the concert because I don't like near people.
Question part 8. 1. Which area of your country would you like to get to know better? Why?
I want to Labuan Bajo because in Labuan Bajo we can see a beautiful view.
2. What's the most interesting place you've ever visited? Tell us about it.
I go to Alahan Panjang because in Alahan Panjang I camping one day in the lake.
3. Have you ever used your English on holiday? What did you use it for?
Yes, I ever use English in Bukit Tinggi because in Bukit Tinggi many tourists there.
4. Do you like to plan your holidays just before you go, or do you not plan in advance? Why?
Yes, I like plan the holiday before go because I know how much spend money in the holiday.
5. If you could go anywhere on holiday, where would you go? Why?
I want to go in Lombok because I want to look animal Komodo.
Part 9. 1. What sort of music do you listen to? Why do you enjoy it?
I listen music K-pop because the music K-pop is very attractive and very make me feeling happy.
2. Do you like shopping? What sort of things do you buy?
Yes, I like shopping. I shopping makeup and clothes.
3. What's your favorite food? Why do you like it?
I like fried rice because the taste is very salty.
4. What do you like to do at the weekend?
I think I go to mall and watch the cinema.
5. Tell us about a day you've really enjoyed recently.
Maybe I go to buy ice cream and talk with my friend.
Question for 10. 1. What sort of books do you enjoy reading most?
I enjoy the book, the knowledge book.
2. What is the most popular sport in your country?
I think soccer.
3. What do you do to exercise?
I want to do play badminton.
4. Does anyone you know have an interesting hobby?
My friend, his hobby is drawing.
5. If you could take up a new hobby, what would you do?
I think I want to do drawing because drawing is very enjoy